I understand that domain web studios can be very confusing at once, so I just want to do an over-the-shoulder tutorial of exactly what to do when you get a task assigned to you for content writing, and what that task is going to look like and how you should proceed from there. So let's say you get a task assigned and it looks like this. Time Chamber Marketing, new task assigned in Domain Web Studios account. It says you have a new task assigned, tells you what the batch number is in the email, it tells you what the instructions are. Please rewrite these 8 articles, submit them via the website. If you have any references to location, usually cities or states, remember to replace the name with Raleigh and replace the state with North Carolina. Remember to use the keywords that are for the article. And so there's 8 articles. That means there should be 8 articles posted here. Do we have 8? There's 1. And then there's this little separator here. So there's the second one. And then there's a separator here. Here's the third one. And then a separator. Here's the fourth one. A separator. Here's the fifth one, sixth one. I think this is seventh. And this is 8. Okay, so let's, and this is 8. Let's look closely at what we're looking at here. I've basically given you 8 articles that you're going to be rewriting one by one. And I've also given you images for each article, specific for each article. So you're going to include these image links within the article. And I have another video on exactly how to do that. So that's the task. That's the 8 articles you got. Let's look at Domain Web Studios and see what it looks like over there. So this is your main screen. This is what it looks like. And you have to click on All Writing Tasks. And it says that you have, it's showing 1 of 10 tasks, but there's 16 altogether. So that means you've been assigned 16 articles. And that's because you've been assigned 8 articles here. And if you notice, all these 8 articles are basically related to the same kind of niche. This is about water damage. This is about water damage, or this is about flood damage, water damage, mold damage, things like that. And for this particular person, he also got a second email. He also got this email, same kind of thing. This is your task type. Please rewrite these 8 articles, replace the location. But you notice that these are about carpet cleaning. So there's a carpet cleaning one. There's a carpet cleaning one. There's a carpet cleaning one. So that means he has 8 articles about water damage type related articles and 8 articles about carpet cleaning. And all these 8 articles are all going to go on the same website under a different niche. So let's look at what his tasks are. You can see he has water damage type tasks here, and he also has carpet cleaning tasks here. And he also has pet odor removal. Pet odor removal for us, it falls under carpet cleaning tasks, just so you know. So it makes sense. We see carpet cleaning and we see mold damage type articles. Let's look at the second page. Same thing, water damage, carpet cleaning. Okay, so this right here, this is the keyword. This is going to be the main keyword of the article. This is what you're using when you're rewriting the articles. The articles that I give you, they may not have a keyword like this, but you need to make sure that you include it, usually 2 times. If the article is really short, just do it once. If it's really long, if it's like 800 words, then put it in 3 times. But on average, we want to do about 2 times. Okay, so let's just click on our first task. This is a water damage restoration article. Once you open this, it's basically just going to be a blank screen. Okay, and what we need to do is we need to create a headline, rewrite the article and put it here, and then do this information as I show you in other videos. So which article do you use, right? That's an important question, because you have 8 articles here about carpet cleaning, you have 8 articles here about water damage. So what you need to do is, you understand this is a water damage restoration article, right? That's the main keyword. I gave you 8 water damage type articles to write, and you have 8 overall water damage articles to write. So just choose Choose one of the first choose the first article, or choose an article that makes sense. You could copy this article right here. Copy this article. Then you can go to Domain Web Studios, and if you work on Microsoft Word and you're more comfortable working on Microsoft Word, and that's where you do your article rewrites, then you can use Microsoft Word. Okay. If you just want to do the work in here, you would just you should not paste it in this way. So don't hit the right button key, and then try to paste it. It's not going to work. It's going to give you that error. What you need to do is click the cursor here, and then hit Control V, and that just pastes the document in. So you can do the rewrites here, or you can open up a new document and do the rewrites here. Okay? And then once the rewrite is done, then you select the whole thing, copy it from here, copy it, and then paste it in. And you make sure that the title's updated, the title's not here because it's already up there. You do the image URLs the right way by adding it here and pasting it here and making sure these settings are okay. But that's another video. And then once you've done with that, once you've done with the rewrites, once you've set up all this, then you create the article. And then you can move on to the next one. If it's a water damage article, you use one of the water damage articles that I've given you. If it's carpet cleaning, use one of the carpet cleaning ones. That's the basic summary. Let me know if you have any questions.